In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a Jira ticket into a sprint, providing you with a full guide for 2025. Working with Jira can sometimes be a bit daunting, but with these clear instructions, you'll find the process simple and straightforward. Let's dive right in. Start by navigating to your Jira dashboard and zeroing in on the project you want to manage. This is your starting point. You might be managing multiple projects, so take a moment to ensure you're selecting the correct one. Accessing the specific project is crucial because it houses all the tasks and issues related to that project, including the ones you want to manage within your sprint. Once you're in the correct project, proceed to the project's backlog. This is essentially a comprehensive list of the issues and tasks waiting to be addressed. Think of it as the project's to-do list, only much more organized and visual. The backlog is an excellent way of prioritizing tasks, so spend a little time familiarizing yourself with it if you're not already accustomed to its layout and functionality. Now, with the backlog open, it's time to pinpoint the issue you want to move. This step involves locating the specific ticket that needs to be placed into the sprint. You can use various filters or search directly if you have a lot of issues listed. Ensuring it's the right ticket is vital before proceeding, especially if your project has multiple similar tasks or issues. So double check the details of the issue to confirm you've got the correct one in your sights. With the issue identified, you're now ready for the main action, moving it into the sprint. To do this, you'll simply drag and drop the issue onto the desired sprint. It's a straightforward, intuitive action, much like organizing files on your desktop. As you hover over the sprint area, the boundary will highlight, signaling that the issue is ready to be dropped. Releasing the mouse button will place the issue within the sprint, effectively moving it from the backlog to the sprint phase. That's all there is to it. By following this guide, you've successfully moved a Jira ticket into a sprint. Remember, managing your backlog efficiently by moving tickets into sprints is essential for keeping projects on track. It allows your team to focus on what's important and align on project goals. So, whether you're a seasoned Jira user or just starting, this method is your go-to for seamlessly managing your projects. Feel free to revisit these steps whenever you need. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more tips like these to enhance your project management skills in Jira.